Imagine waking up tomorrow and your work is already half done. Emails answered, research finished, tasks organized, and you didn't touch your laptop once. In 2026, this is not science fiction. This is the rise of AI agents, autonomous AI systems that work for you 24/7. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why AI agents might be the most important technology since smartphones. Right now, most people use AI the same way. You open ChatGPT, ask a question, get an answer, and then you do all the work yourself. But here's the problem. Answering questions is not productivity. Taking action is, and that's exactly where traditional AI stops. And AI agents begin. Let me explain this in the simplest way possible. What AI agents actually are. An AI agent is not just a chatbot. It's an autonomous AI that can understand a goal, plan steps, use tools, and complete tasks on its own. Instead of saying how to do something, you tell it what you want done. Example, you say, research the best AI productivity tools in 2026. Compare prices, summarize features, and email me the results. The AI agent breaks this into steps, searches the web, analyzes data, and delivers the result without asking you follow-up questions. Real-world use cases, here's how people are already using AI agents in 2026. Creators use AI agents to research video ideas, write scripts, and schedule content. Freelancers use them to manage clients, invoices, and proposals. Entrepreneurs use them to run customer support, analyze competitors, and automate marketing. Students use AI agents for research, study planning, and learning faster. But this is where it gets even crazier. People who learn AI agents early will finish work in hours that used to take days. People who ignore them will wonder why everyone else is moving so fast. This isn't about being smarter, it's about using smarter tools. If this is useful so far, tap the like button. It really helps Brainy AI grow. How AI agents work behind the scenes. AI agents combine for powerful technologies. 1. Large language models like GPT-style AI. 2. Memory, so they remember past actions. 3. Tool access, browsers, emails, APIs. 4. Feedback loops, they improve over time. That's why people call them digital employees instead of AI tools. They don't just respond, they operate. WHY 2026 is the breaking point. AI agents existed before, but 2026 is different. They are faster, cheaper, more accurate, and easier to use. No coding required. This is the year AI stopped being an assistant and started becoming a worker. This is why AI agents in 2026 are one of the biggest trends in artificial intelligence. Who should care if you're a student, creator, freelancer, or business owner? AI agents will give you a serious edge. And no, they won't replace humans. They replace busy work. You still make decisions. AI agents just execute them. AI agents are not coming in the future. They're already here in 2026. The real question is simple. What would you want an AI agent to do for you? Tell me in the comments. I read every one. And for more AI tools, trends, and future technology, subscribe to Brainy AI and turn on notifications. Let's not just watch the future, let's use it.